one of the first steps towards this that we've seen is people starting to use Skool for a free group.
Yeah, right.
So like the Kirby example.
Right.
So this is like, instead of just being the customer portal where you only get to if you've bought something, some people innovated. This wasn't even our idea. Skool was never built for this. They made a group and they said it was free. And then they told their audience on YouTube or whatever to join that.
Right.
And then they gave them a teaser of, it's basically the free trial for the course.
Right.
That's getting closer to being there, but it isn't quite there yet, right? As soon as someone kind of figured that one out, our growth just went poof.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we've got free Skool groups with thousands of people in them. And setters and closers are, mining in there. So that's a great example of like a platform dictating a business model.
Well, the platform kind of just built itself, and then someone figured out a way to use it in an interesting way. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right.